Awesome, awesome. And like, what do you think like will be required, the cost required to open a clinic? Like, did you take a loan? And can you give us a brief idea about it?
So if somebody has definitely decided that they want to open a clinic, I must tell you it's very easy to open a clinic in India. If you compare it to the norms which are out in Western like US and Europe, it's very easy. There are not much rules or regulations. There are some which I will tell you about. So how I got about is I took a loan from my father for about 2 lakh rupees, and we are not from a very affluent family. My father is a banker, and we got the place on rent. Then I had some saved money of my own from my first year PG scholarship. So I had roughly around 1.5 lakh of that. And because me and my wife were opening it together, my in-laws also helped, and we together had around 4 to 6 lakh rupees roughly, where I invested first on the dental chair, a little bit of interiors which I did on my own. My wife did it actually, and she helped me arrange the clinic, make it beautiful. We didn't have money to spend on the architect, so we did just everything on ourselves. Uh,
Wow.
Hardly it would have costed around 1 lakh of rupees to just get the furniture, and that time I thought that yeah, I'll just take a loan or something. But the best loan is to take from your family members. It's at 0%, and there is no hesitation to do that. I think we are at the start of our career, and we can definitely do that rather than paying a hefty amount of interest to the banks. We can try to arrange credit loans from our family members. I did that, and God has been gracious since then.